Microsoft has invested $13 billion in AI for Office products. But does Copilot in Excel actually save time, or is it just a demo gimmick? I tested it on 20 real tasks to find out. I asked Copilot to generate 10 formulas ranging from simple sum-ifs to complex nested functions. It nailed basic formulas but struggled with multi-criteria conditions and dynamic array combinations. Copilot's natural language analysis is impressive for basic questions like top customers and monthly trends, but it often misinterprets date, grouping, and cannot handle multi-table relationships yet. Creating charts from natural language works well for standard types. Custom formatting and interactive elements still require manual intervention. Copilot gets you 60% there. You handle the polish. I run through all 20 test tasks on screen, showing exactly what Copilot generates versus what the correct output should be. I grade each task pass or fail and calculate an overall usefulness score. Copilot is a useful assistant, but not a replacement for Excel skills. Yet, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews and Excel tutorials.